Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install zinitevi and watch movies for free and TV series. So what you're going to do is open the link in the description. It will open like that. You want to scroll down till the end over here, and you're not here. Wait, here. Press on download zinitevi no revoke, and then press on accept. Update. This will take some time updating because it uses your internet. zinitevi isn't really a big of an app. I recommend turning off automatic updates. And now you press on open and press on next. Start testing. Now you can watch any movie you want. Click on it. For example, I want Palmer, and you click watch now. Hope you like this video and see you tomorrow.